This color series thing has been going really, really well. I just don't know what color to do next. What color do you think, bud? We did red. We did blue. Yellow. Yellow. You're a genius, bud.
Yellow.
Yes, yellow. Mwah.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yeah. If you've been following along this color series thus far, I just noticed we've officially tackled all of the primary colors. Did you know that yellow was the exact opposite of purple on a color spectrum? Who would have thought? Well, when I think of yellow, I think of excitement and warmth, like a warm excitement. You'll hear what I mean. You hear it?